Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. So today we are going to resume our comprehensions from exercise number 9. So let's get to the reading first. In December 1930, Dr. Muhammad Iqbal was invited to preside over the annual meeting of All India Muslim League at Allahabad. علامہ اقبال کو بلایا گیا پریزائڈ کریں یعنی نمائندگی کریں آل انڈیا مسلم لیگ کی جو کہ الہ آباد میں تھی. In his address, he openly opposed the idea of power sharing between Hindus and Muslims as one nation. We all know that he opposed the idea that Muslims and Hindus are not one nation. He declared that the movement to apply one constitution to both the Hindus and Muslims would result in a civil war. Because of the difference of the religion, it was not possible to apply the same constitution on the Hindus and Muslims was difficult. So that's why he asked or he denounced of the war at that time if it was not implemented. He wanted to see the Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa as a single state for the Muslims. So we all know that it was a dream of Allama Iqbal to have a separate nation. So they should live according to the teachings of Islam. So our Muslims, there is not any hurdle for Muslims to apply their Islamic rules in their lives. We can say that Allama Iqbal was the first thinker to give us the idea of a separate homeland for the Muslims of India. مسلمانوں انڈیا کے تمام مسلمانوں کے لیے علامہ اقبال وہ پہلے انسان تھے جنہوں نے یہ سوچا کہ ہمارے لیے یا مسلمانوں کے لیے ایک الگ زمین ہونی چاہیے. دیٹ از پارٹیشن آف سب کانٹیننٹ انٹو 2 sovereign states کہ سب کانٹیننٹ کو 2 اسٹیٹس کے اندر تبدیل 2 بڑی اسٹیٹس کے اندر تبدیل کر دینا چاہیے. The Muslim soon realized the importance of the demand for 2 separate states. مسلمانوں کو بھی بہت جلد اندازہ ہو گیا کہ 2 الگ قوموں کا ہونا یا الگ ریاستوں کا ہونا کتنا ضروری ہے. It was then the Pakistan Resolution was adopted in 1940 اور یہ تب ہوا جب 1940 میں پاکستان ریزولوشن یعنی پاکستان کی قرارداد کا فیصلہ کیا گیا. So dear students, as I told you yesterday in the previous video that it's really important for you to understand the comprehension and the text first. For that, if you have to read the comprehension or the text for twice or more than it, you should, because in that case only you would be able to give the right answer. So these are the list of questions here. Where was the annual meeting of All India Muslim League held in 1930? So where was the Muslim League held? It was held at Allahabad. So again, according to the yesterday's lesson, you have to transform the answer according to the question. Who was invited to preside over the session? Dr. Allama Iqbal was invited. What idea did Allama Iqbal oppose? He opposed the idea of power sharing between Hindus and Muslims as one nation. Which provinces did he want to be included in the Muslim states? He wanted Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa as a single state for the Muslims. The last 2 questions are, on what grounds did he demand a separate state for the Muslim of India? He wanted a separate single state for Muslims so that they should live according to the teachings of Islam. So these were the grounds that he wanted or he demanded a separate state for the Muslims of India. The last question is, when was the Pakistan resolution adopted? The Pakistan Resolution was adopted in 1940. So again, students, I would like to instruct you that you need to transform the answer according to the question. It's really important because it's not difficult. You are not getting marks for the fact that you are finding the answer that is already given to you. You will be only given marks for the fact that you know how to transform or how to answer according to the question. So this is it for today. From tomorrow, inshallah, we will be resuming from exercise number 10 and 11. So till then, Allah Hafiz.